Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Steps. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a subwoofer and amplifier in your Lincoln Navigator year 2005. So first off, you're going to be needing your power cable and you have to route it from underneath the car to the back of the trunk. So I routed the wire underneath the car and I brought it up from here. There's the spare tire under, there's an opening where you can bring in the power wire, and I brought it up here. And here's my fuse that's going to be with the subwoofer. In order to take out your stereo, there are 2 bolts under the stereo and you have to remove them. They are 7 millimeters. Second, you have to get to your stereo because we have to install RCA converter for your audio. Make your RCA go to the back to the amplifier. You can check my other video out of how I removed all of the front compartment. So as you can see, I already have my RCA coming and I put it behind the glove box. I can show you. In order to get behind, you have to push it from the sides and pull down. And here is my converter, and it's going to the stereo. So here's where I spliced my wires, and these wires lead to the RCA connector in the glove box. These are connected into the speaker wires. The speaker wires is the green and white one, then the orange. Next, you have to find a fuse for your amplifier. So every time you turn your car on, it will turn on, and every time you turn your car off, the amplifier will turn off, so your battery won't go dead. Here I can show you in this one. This is the radio, subwoofer, and your navigation fuse. Let me pull it out, I can show you. So here's my fuse for the radio. It's a 20 amp. So basically you get your wire and you wrap it around there and you insert it back to the slot. So as you can see right there, I got my wire into the fuse. So every time I'll turn my car on, the amplifier will turn on. Every time the car will shut off, amplifier will turn off. I'm gonna take all the wires to the back and plug them into the amplifier. From the RCA converter, these are the 2 wires. It's a power and a remote. This power is the one that went into the fuse right there. So basically I connected them together and I sent it, and this is the remote that's going to go back to the trunk and connect between the ground and the power. So next I'm going to take my wires to the back to the trunk where the amplifier and subwoofer is going to be staying, and I'm going to be sending the wires underneath this all the way to the back. So here's my amplifier and my subwoofer in my trunk. Here's the RCA that came from the front, and this is the speaker wire that's going to connect into your subwoofer. This blue wire is the remote, which came from your RCA converter, and here is the ground and the 12 volt that came directly from your battery. I'm going to show you. I routed my ground wire. I installed my ground wire right beneath the seat and I sent it back to the trunk, and it's going into my amplifier right there. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install a subwoofer and amplifier in Lincoln Navigator. And if you like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.